How to insert the SIM card into your smart 4G-Lte Ptz solar outdoor camera before installation. Here's how to insert the SIM card into your Nexxt Home 4G-Lte Ptz Smart Solar Camera. Before you begin, make sure the SIM card has an active data plan with sufficient data balance. Remember, the camera uses motion-triggered recording, not 24/7 streaming. To save battery, avoid pointing it directly at busy roads or high-traffic areas. Ensure the camera is powered off. Have the SIM card and camera ready on a stable surface. To begin, remove the protective cover at the base. Locate the microSD slot and the SIM card slot. Position the SIM card according to the icon shown. Insert the card until you hear a click, confirming it is securely locked in place. Reattach the protective cover. Now turn on the camera using the power switch. Wait for the status LED to start flashing blue. This indicates it's ready to pair. Done. The SIM card is inserted and the camera is powered on. Now proceed with the physical installation and pairing in the Nexxt Home app.